nurturing a robust ecosystem and enhanced project operation capabilities. Bharat has taken a proactive stance on hydroelectric power development to greatly amplify its capacity. Numerous projects have been constructed to add stability and balance to the grid. Today, India's mighty rivers roar with enormous hydro energy, lighting up millions of homes.
2014 के बाद से ही भारत मेजर इकोनॉमीज में रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी एडिशन में सबसे तेज रहा है। हमारा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बताता है कि रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज को लेकर भारत जो लक्ष्य तय करता है उसे समय से पहले पूरा करके दिखाता है।
From the power of the sun to the flow of the rivers, Bharat has been on a historic journey to revolutionize its energy future. And today, we are proud to announce this extraordinary milestone. Bharat achieves 200 gigawatt non-fossil power capacity. Today, Bharat celebrates a monumental achievement. 200 gigawatt of non-fossil power capacity. This is not just a number, but a testament to the dedication, innovation and collective effort of a nation moving towards a brighter and greener future. Ladies and gentlemen, this 200 gigawatt is just a milestone in our journey towards 500 gigawatt by 2030. On this momentous occasion of the 4th Global RE Invest, let us all rise and pledge to be the force behind the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Panch Amrit to achieve 500 gigawatt by 2030.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you appreciated the remarkable display of India's achievement of 200 gigawatt and commitment towards the 500 gigawatt target by 2030. It has not only showcased India's extraordinary strides in renewable energy, but has also ignited our collective vision for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my privilege to request the Honorable Union Minister for New and Renewable Energy, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Shri Prahlad Joshi ji, to please render the welcome address.
Namaskar. Good morning to everybody. I welcome Honorable Prime Minister, Governor of Gujarat, Chief Ministers of the states, other ministers from India, and those joining us from the other countries, investors, stakeholders, and media friends. We are here today at the 4th edition of Global Renewable Energy Investor Meet and Expo, celebrating the clean and re-energizing power of renewables. The visionary leader who has propelled India to a leading position in global renewable energy sector, whose leadership has been pivotal in achieving India's renewable energy goals, is Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. It is my honor to welcome him today at this event. PM Modi ji is the driving force behind this transformation, showing both courage and innovation in conceptualizing and realizing our nation's renewable energy ambitions. India is a global leader in RE because of the Prime Minister Modi's vision. Today, India is not only the fifth largest, but also the world's fastest growing economies. The growth is driving an unprecedented demand for the energy. And we are committed to meeting this demand sustainably. This progress is a result of the leader's vision and the bold determination to run that vision into reality. Prime Minister Modi ji gave this sector path and direction, scale and skill, courage and conviction, passion and purpose. And let me explain the passion and the purpose in RE sector with the shloka in Rig Veda. Atmano mokshartham jagad hitaya cha. It means वयुक्ति के लिए मोक्ष. अंग्रेजी में बोलना है तो it means for the own liberation, for the welfare of the world. Despite having one of the lowest per capita emission in the world, India is championing the cause of clean energy under the Pradhan Mantri's leadership. This is for the benefit of the world because we truly believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. As the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Modi ji played a pivotal role in advancing the renewable energy. Under his guidance, Gujarat emerged as a front runner in green energy sectors.